Hi, I'm Monica. I'm the owner of Facewear Makeup and Skin, and I'm here to talk to you about summer skin. A lot of you are suffering from summer skin and you don't even know it. So what is summer skin? Summer skin is what happens just by enjoying the summer. I love the summer. I love being outside. I love being by the pool. I love going to the beach. I love being outside when it's really hot out. But all of these things actually contribute to summer skin. And this will cause dehydration, breakouts. It'll cause flaky skin, loss of elasticity, loss of collagen. So this is going to cause wrinkles and sagging of your skin. Summer skin is really annoying, so you have to do something to kind of fight that and reverse what's happened. So I'm going to talk to you about how you can prevent all these things from really damaging your skin and how to fight what's going on with your skin. To help my skin through the summer skin issues, I use my Facewear Skin line, but especially the C-Serum and the Healing Oil. So these two will help reverse some of that, and they will also help prevent summer skin from happening in the first place. The Healing Oil is jam-packed with really great and effective essential oils. So it has frankincense, sandalwood, and myrrh, which each in itself are very powerful essential oils, but when combined, they actually create another product, which is actually even more powerful. So frankincense will help with anti-aging. It'll help with everything that will cause aging. So it helps to rebuild the collagen, and it'll help hydrate the skin, and it'll help soften the skin. It helps with bacterial infection that could be plaguing you, especially if you have a lot of dry, flaky skin with everything trapped underneath that flakiness. So the frankincense will help with that. Same as sandalwood. Sandalwood is great. It has a lot of antibacterial properties as well, but also helps amazingly for anti-aging. So it also helps with reversing the signs of aging by helping to build up the elastin and the collagen that's lost due to summer skin. It also helps with age spots. And then we have myrrh essential oil, which is also great for healing the skin, and it's great for age spots. It's good for any bacterial infections. So all three of these essential oils are mandatory for your skin, for skin health. And they all help with the dehydration. The C-Serum has everything you need to help keep your skin healthy and to keep your skin from aging prematurely. So it has vitamin C in it, Matrixyl 3000, hyaluronic acid, argireline extract. So this is, I think, a necessity. This is the nourishment your skin needs in order to be healthy. Vitamin C is very effective in preventing sun damage. So it's going to help prevent sun damage, but it's also going to help reverse sun damage. So vitamin C will help reverse age spots. It'll help prevent wrinkles, the depletion of collagen and elastin in the skin. So vitamin C is an absolute necessity. Matrixyl 3000 is also a very important ingredient that will help reverse and prevent summer skin from happening. So Matrixyl 3000 is a peptide. It's a very powerful peptide, and it will help produce more collagen and elastin in your skin. It actually works really well with the other ingredient, hyaluronic acid. So the two together just make them more powerful. So hyaluronic acid actually helps your skin to retain more moisture, which in turn will prevent and heal dehydration. The other one is argireline extract. Argireline extract is really cool. So this ingredient is a peptide, will help with muscle contraction on the skin. The argireline extract tells the nerves to tell the muscles not to contract. So it doesn't work like Botox exactly, because it doesn't paralyze the muscles from moving and contracting, but it'll help soften the response. So the argireline extract will help prevent wrinkles. It'll help heal some of the wrinkles, but it'll also help prevent them from appearing. You need to start using the C-Serum and the healing oil immediately. The C-Serum and the healing oil will help reverse anything that SummerSkin has done to you already and help prevent what SummerSkin can do to you now and in the future. Start using it now and see the results. You'll see them pretty quickly, but you have to start using it now. Be consistent. Use it twice a day. Use the C-Serum and the healing oil twice a day as directed, and you will see a difference in your skin. And keep using it because it'll help prevent a lot of these things from happening to your skin. So don't hide inside. You don't have to hide inside. Just start using the C-Serum and the healing oil and finally get healthy skin, healthy, beautiful, glowing skin, and enjoy your summer.